We were trying to figure out how long it takes the faster pump to fill up the pool. And it took exactly 4 hours if they're working together. So let's call the faster pump X. And the slower pump is 1.5 times X. Because see, when you multiply 1.5 times X, it's getting bigger. That means it's taking longer to fill up that tank. And then that's individual times. And now to find that working together, their rate, when these pumps are working together, you take the reciprocal. So this is 1 over X. And I want to write this as 3/2 X. Because I'm a fraction person. If you want to leave it in decimals, you can. Now take the reciprocal of that, and that's 2 over 3X. And this is 1 over 4. So 1 over X plus 2 over 3X equals 1/4. That's those two pumps working together equals the together time. And let's clear our fractions by multiplying everything by 12X. And here the X's cancel, and you're left with 12 plus, and then 3 will go into 12, the X's cancel. 3 will go into 12 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8, equals 3X. So this is 20 equal 3X, and 20 over 3 equals X, and that's your answer.